If you are a tech guy and you love to do coding, but you also want to prioritize your health and fitness, and you haven't succeeded in the past, this video will be for you. You're probably software engineer or developer, you work long hours at your desk, and your health has taken a step back. In other words, you have seen some weight gain, your metabolism has slowed down, you're not fitting anymore in your old favorite clothes, maybe you don't like what you see in front of the mirror, your confidence has dropped. And yeah, if that sounds like you, this video will definitely be for you. My name is Oskar Sarlans. I'm an online health and fitness coach for busy professionals, software engineers, developers. I have helped countless of busy guys just like you transform their health, such as Abisai, software lead engineer who went from this to this, Kun, who dropped 30 pounds, Andre, who went from this to this, Curtis, who lost 30 pounds, and many more other clients. You can check my other YouTube videos or check my Instagram for my client wins. And if you want to achieve same results and that you can fit it in your busy schedule and have personalized routine that fits your needs and lifestyle, then book that Health Discovery Health Assessment call, link in bio. But yeah, let's dive into today's video. So tip number one would be like thinking about the benefits, what you get when you have a healthy routine. You work out, you eat healthy, you prioritize your rest. Do you think you would be like a better version when you do those things? Or you think you are the best version right now when you sit long hours at your desk in front of the screen for long hours? You don't get your movement, you probably eat processed food, right? You often feel lack of energize, fatigue, you are a bit overweight, probably your testosterone is low, like probably the productivity wise it's not the best, right? Where in other aspect, like where would you be that best version who gets in the workouts, right? Eat healthy, your productivity energy would be like a high rate, right? And you would get more things done in less amount of time. And a lot of people think that prioritizing your health, being that best version of yourself, like takes too much of your time. Probably you have seen in social media other people like train every day for 2 hours, right? Cook boring healthy meals, chicken, rice, broccoli, and of course it's not sustainable, especially for people like us, right? Who work long hours and have other priorities than our own health. But let me tell you this, it's not about doing more, it's about doing less, but the right things. Most of my clients who have gotten a good shape, in best shape of their lives, most of them work out only 2 to 3 times per week, like full body sessions, and they train maybe in a gym for 45 to 50 minutes. So basically they have to spend in the gym 2 to 3 hours per week. So would it be possible also for you? Probably yes, right? And the best way how to like replace the bad habits against good habits is finding those best time blocks, maybe waking up earlier, going for that gym session, increasing your energy levels, you are awake, alert, and then you go to your work, right? Code all day, and you're gonna see your productivity increases. Or maybe you are a person who likes to train during lunch break, like you work morning till midday, you kind of get tired, then it's also really good time to go work out, because what happens when you go work out, you increase your endorphins, right? You feel more alert, energized, and in that case you also increase your productivity. Or maybe you are a person who likes to work out in the evening, and that's also totally fine. But most of my clients still, I always suggest work out in the morning because you get it done. The hardest thing, in the morning, you are free for the rest of your day. And yeah, you are just more alert. And another part is just being in a community of other people just like you. I know that you maybe work in a tech industry and maybe you are in an office and most of your people, friends, colleagues are not the healthiest versions of themselves, right? They don't work out, probably they smoke, they drink, eat processed foods, gossiping about others, always being in this negative mindset. And when you surround yourself with people like that, of course, it's really hard to become that best version of yourself. So it's really important to surround yourself with people who want to become those best versions of themselves, right? You can definitely go in a gyms or group trainings, high intensity, online communities. There are many. For example, myself, as I said, I'm myself a fitness health coach, and I work with tech people. So during this last year, I have built like a community with people, with tech guys who are, working long hours at their desk, in front of the screen, which I also do it, I also work long hours in front of the screen, so I totally understand you. It can get pretty lonely sometimes and tiring, so that's why I have my own community with tech guys who are busy professionals, but everyone want to become that best version of themselves. We share workouts with each other, we are motivating each other, supporting each other, and it's more easier to be in this kind of environment. And as I said, like, there are many of other communities like there out there, maybe in your city, or as I said, you can find it online as well. And last but not least is making commitment to yourself or with other people. Like, maybe when you join in a community, then it's gonna be easier because everyone else is supporting you, right? But also make commitment with yourself, for the next 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, maybe half a year, you're gonna stick to your routine, you're gonna crush it. And first maybe weeks, it's gonna be pretty difficult. Maybe when the motivation is down, you will not be wanting to continue it. But as I said, still push it through. And that's why it's even more important to surround yourself with people who like motivate you. Maybe get a coach who supports you, or again, be part of a community, or maybe ask your partner, your friends to support you, who want to also participate in the same journey as you, and that's gonna make your journey way more easier. And again, like, the start is the most difficult one, but once you like start it, you are 1-2 months in, the journey, the routine, it's gonna be automatic, and you will be able to combine it both, and also when you're super busy, maybe when you're traveling, also stick with it, because I know a lot of people make this mistake when they are busy, when they are traveling, they stop their routine, they stop their health fitness routine, and then to come back at it, it takes time. It's not motivating to start again because you have lost all the progress. So it's better not to stop, because if you only learn how to prioritize your health and fitness journey when you're not busy, when you're not traveling, it's not gonna last, right? Because when the busy times comes, when the travel times comes back again, you're gonna stop, and it's not really sustainable, right? So if you want to make your journey more sustainable, even with your busy desk job schedule, and to prioritize it even when the busy travel times comes, and want to be part of my community, that I keep you accountable, that my clients keep you accountable, and achieve great results, then book that Health Discovery Health Assessment call, link in bio. I'm gonna ask you a couple questions, just gonna make sure we are the right fit to each other, and if you are the right fit to my community. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video.